Today we have the biggest popcorn box on this channel right now.
Hello, my name is Arisa.
Now we're gonna be making some popcorn tonight. If you've been to the movie theater, probably there's something you never miss, and that's popcorn. Coke or any kind of soda. Popcorn, movie theater butter, made with whole grain, and it is gluten free. We're gonna make popcorn in the Xiaomi microwave. I viewed in an earlier video. You could watch that video right here. When you're making popcorn, this very brand, set it to about 2.5 to 3 minutes. It weighs 4 kgs, and there are about 44 bags. It says about 44 bags. This bag weighs about 93 grams. Let's open up the box and see. And I've also come to notice that it has an expiry date. It expires 3rd of 3rd, 2022, and it was produced 3rd of 3rd, 2021. It's roughly 1 year of production, and it's a product of the USA. Let's go through a little bit. Ingredients: whole grain popcorn, palm oil, salt, natural flavors, rosemary extract to preserve freshness, ascorbic acid to preserve freshness, butter, cream, salt. Contains milk. So it's distributed by Costco Wholesale. Open up the box and see. Wow. So this is what the bags look like. Make sure you put this side down onto the microwave plate. You will notice this side because it's a little bit darker. I hope you can see that. It's a little bit darker. Alright, let's get to the microwave right now. Open it up. So remember, put this dark side onto the microwave plate. So this side must be on top. So you're going to do that right now. Just throw it in there like that. Best thing with this microwave, it has an interesting dial. It's a robust dial, very multifunctional. So all we need to do is rotate this. So I'm going to set it to 2 minutes 30 seconds. Then I'm going to just push the button and wait. Well, we're starting to hear some pops now. It has a double coating on the glass, so you can barely see what's happening inside. So when you hear that sound, just know it's all done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we are ready to watch a movie right now. Popcorn is ready. We've made 2 bags so far. We made 2 bags in 5 minutes. You're gonna open up your bag upright. It is pretty hot, so you need to be very careful when you're opening this up. Just pull the top like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. This is what the popcorn looks like. It is just ready to be mashed on. Look at that. Look at all this popcorn. Look at all the popcorn. Whoa. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna give this popcorn a test. The salt is just enough. It's buttery. Doesn't get better than this, guys. This is great popcorn. This is great popcorn. Crunchy, chewy, just like popcorn should be. Share with me some of the movies you're watching right now. I want to see what you're watching. You never know. We could have the same interest. We'll catch you in the next video.